Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning all of you, my dear fourth class, my dear second class students. Today discuss about multiplication. See first multiplication. What is meant by multiplication? The repeated addition is called multiplication. The repeated addition is called multiplication. See here, repeated addition means 2 plus 2 plus 2. See here, 2 plus 2 plus actually 6. So it can be written as 2 is repeated how many times? 3 times. So 2 into 3 you can get 6. So the repeated addition is called multiplication. From your activity book volume 2, see here page number 34. Observe the pictures in each box and fill in the blanks to make the multiplication statements true. See here, a 2 hands is given. 2 hands in it, 4 fingers opened and 1 finger closed. See here, listen carefully. So each hand has opened 4 fingers, means 4 into how many hands are there beta? 2 hands, means 4 fingers repeated 2 times. 4 to the 8. So this like only everybody see here, this is the 2 hands. So each hand opened 4 fingers. See once again listen here. 2 hands given. In each hand you can open 4 fingers, 1 is closed, and in another hand you can open 4 fingers and 1 is closed. Means so this is the there are how many fingers are there in each hand? 4 fingers. So 4 fingers repeated 2 times. So 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. This like only. Four to the 8. See here, everybody open volume 2 grade 2 activity book. Activity book grade 2 volume 2. So page number 34, multiplication chapter. Multiplication chapter. See here. Now next one is here 3 pairs of balloon given. How many pairs are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of given. See here, in each pair how many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3. So how many times repeated beta? 4 times repeated. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can write. So 3 means here in this group means 3 balloons in each group. 3 balloons in each group, and how many times repeated? 4 times repeated. Means 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Everybody write down. Now next one is apples beta. See here, in each group how many apples are there? 2 apples. 2 apples how many times repeated? 3 times repeated. So 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Next mushrooms. See here, in each group how many mushrooms are there? 3. How many times repeated? 3 times repeated beta. So 3 3s are 9. Now next pens. See here, in each packet how many pens are there? 6 pens. So how many packets here? 7 packets. Means each packet repeated 7 times. So that is equals to 6 7s are 42. Now next this is, see here, in each group we have two small balls. See here, 2 into this pair. So how many times repeated? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 times. So we can get 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. Next here, see color boxes. See here, look at your activity book. In each line, how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 beta. So how many times repeated? 4 times repeated. 1 2 3 4 times. So 7 4s are 28. Now next here, this is the groups of pencils. See here, in each group how many pencils are there? 8 pencils. So how many times repeated? 2 times repeated. So 8 into 2. So 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. Now next page number 35. Filling the blanks by looking at the pictures. See here, look at the blackboard everybody. Then here there are dash groups of fish and dash fish in each group. See here, these are the fish and it has 3 groups. See here, there are dash groups of fish and dash fish in each group. Listen carefully, beta. See here, there are dash groups. Here, how many groups are there? 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. Then you can write here 3. So there are 3 groups of fish and 3 fish in each group. Okay, group any fish hai beta? 3 fish. So 3 fish in each group. Then you can write 3 is repeated. How many times beta? 3 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. Next 3. How many times repeated? 3 times repeated. So 3 times repeated. That is 3 3s are 9. So here you can write dash. Times means instead of times you can write into symbol. Dash is equals to dash. See here 3. There are 3 groups. So how many fishes are there in each group? 3 fishes. So 3 3s are 9. The total number of fish is equals to 9. Write down everybody. Now next, this is the groups of candles. So how many groups are there? 2 groups. So how many candles are there in each group? 10 candles. See here, second one is, there are dash groups of candles and dash candles in each group. In each group. See here, how many groups are there? Better 2 groups. So how many candles are there in each group? 10 candles. So here 10 is repeated how many times? 2 times. So 10 plus 10, you can get 20. So this is also 10, how many times? 2 times. So 10 2 times means 10 is multiplied by 2, 10 to the 20. Then you can write 10 times means you can write instead of that, you can write into symbol 2, 10 to the 20. Now next beta, oranges. See here, there are, how many groups are there beta here? 3 groups. In each group has 6 oranges. There are dash groups of oranges and dash oranges in each group. See here, everybody see page number 35. How many groups are there beta here? 3 groups of oranges. So how many oranges are there in each group? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oranges. Then you can write 6 is repeated 3 times. Now here 6 plus 6 plus 6 you can get 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 6 you can get 18. Now 6 is repeated how many times beta? 3 times. 6 is repeated 3 times. 6 3s are 18. Then it can be written as 6 into 3. So 6 3s are 18. Now next word problems. This is very important beta. Everybody listen carefully. There are 16 books in every rack of a library. There are 16 books in every rack of a library. How many books are there in 5 racks? Listen carefully. Did you understand beta? ఒక్కొక్క rack లో 16 books ఉన్నాయి. అయితే 5 racks ఉంటే how many books? So you can find out total number of books. Number of books. Number of books in each rack. That is equals to 16. Number of racks. Number of racks is equals to 5. Number of racks, that is equals to 5. So total number of books. Total number of books is equals to 16 into 5. See here, 16 into 5. 16 is multiplied by 5. First multiplied by 5. See here. First multiply the digits in one space, that is 6 with 5. 5 6 are 30. In it 3 is take 0 is taking, carrying 3 beta. 5 1s are 5. 3 is added to 5. 5 plus 3 you can get 8. 8 write down. So therefore total number of books in a library is equals to 80. Now next one, there are 12 chocolates in every box. There are 6 such boxes. How many chocolates are there in all? Number of chocolates. Number of chocolates in each box. That is equals to 12. Number of boxes. Number of chocolate boxes, that is equals to 6. Total number of chocolates. Total number of chocolates is equals to 12 into 6. 12 6 are 72. You can write directly. See here, rough up to do. 12 into 6. 6 2s are 12. 2 taking 1 carry. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Now next, the cost of 1 pencil is 4 rupees. What will the cost of 10 pencils? The cost of 1 pencil is equals to 4 rupees beta. The cost of 10 pencils is equals to 10 into 4 rupees. So 10 4s are 40 rupees. See now next one. The cost of 1 pomegranate is 9 rupees. What will the cost of 11 pomegranates? See here. The cost of 1 pomegranate is equals to 9 rupees. The cost of 11 pomegranates is equals to, so 11 into the cost of 1 pomegranate, that is 9 rupees. 11 9s are 99. 11 9s are 99. Now next one. The cost of 1 marble is 2 rupees. What is the cost of 35 marbles? The cost of 1 marble. ₹2. So number of marbles, how many beta here? 35. Number of marbles. 35. So you can find out the cost of 35 marbles. The cost of 35 marbles, that is cost 35 into the cost of each marble 2 rupees. See here, 35 into 2. First to multiply the digits in one space, that is 5 with 2. So 2 5s are 10. 0 is taking, carrying 1. Next 2 3s are 6. So 1 is added to 6, you can get 7 right down. So therefore, the cost of 35 marbles, that is equals to 70 rupees. Next, the cost of one ball is 3 rupees. What is the cost of 253 balls? The cost of one ball is equals to 3 rupees beta. Number of balls how many? 253. Number of balls, that is equals to 253. So you can find out the cost of 253 balls. Then the cost of 253 balls, that is equals to 253 into 3 beta. Listen carefully. 253 into 3. First we multiply the digits in one space, that is 3 with 3. 3 3s are 9, single digit. Now next we multiply the digits in tens place, that is 5 with 3. 3 5s are 15 beta. 15 is a 2-digit number, indeed 5 is taking and write down. Now here carrying 1 beta. 3 2s are 6, 1 is added to 6, you can get 7. So therefore, the cost of $253 balls, that is equals to 759. See here, there are 36 chairs in a classroom. There are 36 chairs in a classroom. Okay, classroom lo 36 chairs unnayani beta. How many chairs are there in 8 such classrooms? Mari 8 classroom lo enni chairs kavali? How many chairs are needed for 8 classrooms? See here, number of chairs in a classroom. Number of classrooms, how many beta? 8. Now, number of chairs are needed for 8 classrooms. That is equals to 36 into 8. So first we multiply the digits in 1 plus 36 with 8. 8 6 are 48. We need 8 taking and carrying 4 beta. Now next 8 3 are 24. 24 plus 4. 4 is added to 24. You can get 28. Write down. So 288. Number of chairs are needed. Therefore, for 8 class rooms, 288. Now next one, there are 7 players in a team. How many players are there in each team? 7 players. How many players are there in 7 teams? Very simple. 7 sevens are 49 players. Number of players in each team. Seven. Number of teams. Seven. Number of players. Total number of players, that is equals to 7 into 7. You can get 7 sevens are 49. Okay, thank you everybody. Today your class is complete. Thank you everybody.